Yes, my people, you don't know the thing set. Today we are going to do some guava leaf tea. Full of benefit, mineral, vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium. You know what I say? And right now, it's good for eyesight, it's good for menstrual cramp, it's good for, what you call it, your immune system and a whole. You know? Regulate your blood sugar and so forth. But guess what? You know YouTube see already. You can't go and like say you want to diagnose certain things. So you go research by your own and see what it's really good for. Because it's very potent. Alright? So I'm going to use, if you can get 5 leaves for the 5 elements, I gladly accept it, right? But some of them break up, so I'm going to just do a thing like this and estimate about 5 leaves. Right, I saw them stay. I'm going to add some water to it. It's about a 16-ounce cup. It's my measurement. Medium high. And you cover it and make it go to a boil. And once it starts to boil, you let it sit and seep for at least 3 minutes. Alright, so it looking to boil now. Right, it just start boil. So I'm going to lock it off now and make it seep for at least 3 minutes. Alright, this is how it looks. You can take a look. Alright. So you see it kind of have that reddish, brownish look. That well seep, you know. Yeah, man. So you can try it, and as I said before, do your own research. You just type it in and so much information pop up. We're in the world of information right now, time of information. Alright, so thank you. And you don't have to sweeten it. Just drink it just like it is, you know. And you know you have your natural sweeteners, so anything you prefer, you try it. Alright, thanks for watching. Cheers.